What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Galaxy Z Flip 7 on deck, guys. Now, this is a very dope minimal device, and today I got a very minimal dope case for something like a Galaxy Z Flip 7. So let's get into it. Now, shout out to the good folks over at ThinBorne. They actually sent out their Aramid fiber case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Their cases are really quality, really minimal. If you like that minimal style, that minimal lifestyle, you're not in the big bulky cases, this is definitely something that you should try out. And definitely try it out with the link in my description, guys. The link in my description, you'll save 15%. But as you can see, ThinBorne, just a nice packaging, guys. No other company does this where you got the packaging that's like a makeshift Aramid fiber. It's not actually Aramid fiber. It's made out of a wooden box. But I mean, I just think it's dope, clean packaging, nice presentation. Now all you do is open it up like so, and you got the paperwork, you got the case, got a couple things to go over. So you got the paperwork that actually tells you about the case and how it's made out of Aramid fiber, tells you about the warranty and things of that nature. That's dope. Any company that warranties their products, that's good, because it means they actually believe in their products and they cover their products. Now, this is just a warning, guys, and a small warning. This is actually common sense right here. Now, this case is MagSafe and does give your device MagSafe capabilities, but at the same time, if you have a standing charger, guys, and you got a device that flip in half, and the actual charging pad or charging area is in the bottom of the device, it's not going to work with a standing charger. This is for your typical slab style phone. Now, as you can see, guys, this is a very minimal Aramid fiber case. As you can see, ThinBorne branding. I like how they keep that nice and black and small, like a nice piece of branding, but not taking over the style and the minimalism of the case. As you can see, the top frame now is a lot thinner because we almost got like that bezel-less display, but it is still going to be protecting the sides and any little part of the cover screen that it can. You look on the inside, as you can see, we got ThinBorne branding, and this is where the MagSafe magnet is going to be. And we got some double-sided tape, guys, because something this minimal definitely going to need a little bit of double-sided tape to stay on it foldable like any other case. Now, we definitely got to shout out ThinBorne, because with the case, they providing a screen protector for the cover display. And I'm actually going to apply this. I don't have a screen protector on my cover display. That is the display that's showing when the device is closed. That's the display that's going to take the beat. And 9 times out of 10, you pulling your phone out your pocket, you drop it, cover display going to take a beating. Your phone in your pocket with your keys, cover display can get scratched up. So you definitely got to protect the cover display. They got a nice little screen protector in the actual packaging for free with the case. So this is definitely dope right here, because instead of having to buy a cover display screen protector, you already got one in the package with your case. And it's definitely a tempered glass screen protector. Also, you get extra 2-sided tape, because let's say you want to just take your case off and clean it up, or clean your device up and clean the case up and actually sanitize everything. You might not want to reuse the same tape. They actually got some extra little strips of double-sided tape for you. So that's always dope. And we got the kit that's going to clean your screen before you apply your screen protector. So guys, I actually cleaned up my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. I'm going to use the screen protector for the cover display real quick. I'm going to apply it real quick and show y'all what it look like. All you have to do is peel the stick off the back. Now there you go. Very easy application. I just used the cameras and the flash to line it up. And I mean, that was just the easiest screen protector I ever installed in my life. Now I know I got tempered glass screen protector protecting my cover display at any time. Now I'm gonna do the case. All I'm gonna do is remove the double-sided tape and slap it onto the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now I threw the case on, guys. As you can see, case, nice Aramid fiber texture. You can see the texture through the camera. I could actually feel the texture. Keeps the device nice and minimal. Hinges still out. I feel like, honestly, I like a definitely minimal case. If I got a case on and it's covering the hinges stuff, it's too much of a case for me. It's too bulky. We got that back protected We actually got that ThinBorne branding, and we got MagSafe back here now. You provided an actual regular button press because you know you got to get to your volume rocker and you got to get to your fingerprint scanner, which is the power button. And I just like a thin minimal case. I think this is dope. It's not taking away from the device at all or the minimalism of the device at all. This would definitely be crazy if you got a jet black Flip 7. Now, if you look at the camera area, guys, these cameras do protrude. These sensors are a little bigger. But if you look, it's a raised up lip. ThinBorne done put the raised up lip around that area. So if you drop your device on a flat surface, this little lip will take the impact before your actual cameras do. And because this is a flip, we could look at the top and the bottom of the device at the same time. All cutouts on deck. Nice cutout for your Type-C, your speaker, and your mics. Guys, look at that Aramid 5. It looks gorgeous. This case doesn't interfere with the function of the hinge at all. And the case itself just fits perfectly around the screen protector. So timber glass screen protector on here, ThinBorne case on here perfectly. And of course it was going to fit because ThinBorne actually sent it out for free to you. So just a nice combination. Now, when you open the device up, there's no raised lip because the device has to close. 9 times out of 10, you drop this device, it's probably going to be closed anyway. That's why you need the cover display, tempered glass. But nice and minimal. This ThinBorne case doesn't add any bulk at all. But definitely a shout out to ThinBorne. A very dope minimal case that adds some protection and come with a free temper glass for your Galaxy Flip 7. If you want to buy this case, definitely get it from the link in my description because you save about 15%. And at the same time, make sure you subscribe to the channel because there's going to be a lot more accessories and a lot more videos and reviews about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.